Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving headfirst into a highly debated topic. Is it possible to make money online with crypto in 2023? Cryptocurrencies have taken the world by storm in recent years, with Bitcoin reaching new heights and other altcoins gaining traction. So, let's explore the current landscape and examine the potential for making money online with crypto in 2023. To fully understand the present state of crypto in 2023, we must reflect on its evolution. The cryptocurrency was initially introduced with the launch of Bitcoin in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, the crypto market has grown exponentially, attracting millions of investors, traders, and even businesses. As of 2023, the crypto market continues to flourish, albeit with its fair share of volatility. While cryptocurrencies experienced a significant surge in value during 2021, resulting in numerous success stories, it's essential to approach the market with caution. Prices of crypto assets can fluctuate dramatically within short periods, making it a high-risk investment. Now let's explore some of the ways you can potentially make money online with crypto in 2023. 1. Trading. Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling digital assets with the aim of profiting from price fluctuations. 1. Traders analyze market trends, employ technical analysis, and utilize various trading strategies to make informed decisions. 1. However, it's crucial to note that trading requires knowledge, experience, and a thorough understanding of market dynamics. 2. Investing. Investing in cryptocurrencies for the long term can be a profitable strategy. 2. By carefully selecting promising projects and holding onto them, you may benefit from potential future value appreciation. 2. However, thorough research and understanding of the project's fundamentals are essential to make wise investment decisions. 3. Staking and yield farming. Staking involves holding a particular cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the network's operations, earning staking rewards in return. 3. Yield farming, on the other hand, involves lending or providing liquidity to decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms and earning interest or rewards. 3. Both methods offer potential passive income streams, but they come with risks such as smart contract vulnerabilities. 4. Mining. Mining involves validating and processing transactions on a blockchain network using specialized hardware. 4. In return, miners receive newly minted coins as a reward. 4. However, mining has become increasingly competitive and resource-intensive, requiring significant investments in equipment and energy. 4. Additionally, certain cryptocurrencies have shifted away from mining, making it less accessible to the average individual. 5. NFTs and digital assets. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have gained popularity, allowing creators to tokenize unique digital assets such as art, collectibles, and virtual real estate. 5. By creating and selling NFTs, individuals can potentially make money online. 5. However, the NFT market can be highly speculative and subject to rapid fluctuations. While the potential for making money online with crypto exists, it's crucial to acknowledge the risks and challenges involved. Cryptocurrency prices are notorious for their volatility, with sudden price swings that can result in substantial gains or losses. It's essential to exercise caution and not invest more than you can afford to lose. The regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies remains complex and varied across different jurisdictions. Changes in regulations can impact the market and potentially affect your ability to make money online with crypto. The crypto space is unfortunately prone to scams and security risks. It's vital to be vigilant and cautious when engaging in online crypto activities. Beware of phishing attempts, fraudulent projects, and unauthorized exchanges. Safeguarding your digital assets through robust security measures, such as using hardware wallets and practicing good cybersecurity hygiene, is paramount. Crypto investments require a solid understanding of blockchain technology, market trends, and financial analysis. Without adequate knowledge and experience, it's easy to make uninformed decisions that can lead to financial losses. To increase your chances of making money online with crypto in 2023, consider the following tips. 1. Education and research. Continuously educate yourself about cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and the latest market trends. 1. Stay updated with reputable news sources, follow industry experts, and join crypto communities to expand your knowledge. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket by diversifying your crypto portfolio. 2. Invest in different cryptocurrencies, sectors, and investment strategies to spread your risk and increase the potential for returns. 3. Risk management. Set clear investment goals and establish risk management strategies. 3. Determine your risk tolerance and allocate your investments accordingly. 3. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out, and impulsive decisions driven by market hype. 4. Stay updated on regulations. Keep an eye on regulatory developments in your jurisdiction to ensure compliance and mitigate potential legal risks. 4. Stay informed about changes in tax regulations, reporting requirements, and licensing obligations. 5. Network and collaborate. Engage with other crypto enthusiasts, attend conferences, and participate in online forums to network and collaborate with like-minded individuals. 5. This can provide valuable insights, mentorship, and potential partnership opportunities. While the potential to make money online with crypto in 2023 exists, it's important to approach the market with a realistic perspective. The crypto space offers various avenues for generating income, but it also comes with risks and challenges. By staying informed, adopting prudent strategies, and managing risk effectively, you can position yourself for potential success in the dynamic world of crypto. Remember, always do thorough research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. As you embark on your crypto journey, keep in mind that making money online with crypto requires dedication, continuous learning, and a long-term mindset. It's not a guaranteed path to instant riches, but with careful planning, knowledge, and a calculated approach, you can potentially seize the opportunities presented by the crypto market in 2023. Wishing you the best of luck in your endeavors. Happy crypto investing!